Good morning, people. Welcome back to the channel. Beautiful day after a rainstorm. We got rain last night.
Yes, we did.
And lightning strikes, and it was crazy. Well, guess what we're doing today? Guess what we're doing?
I think we're going to empty the black tank.
We have our own...
into our new septic.
We have... RV people will get this. Okay. Some people might not. RV people will get it.
We have been waiting how many months to get a septic tank?
A year. It took us a year.
To get a septic
Guess
tank
what?
to empty into.
We got it, and it's done, and we are fixing to dump
The
first time we're going to dump our tank.
We
don't have to drive.
June 2nd?
We don't have to drive 25 miles to dump our tanks.
Hip, hip, hooray.
Let's dump this thing.
And then show them the water tank too.
We already did that. But we got water, we got power, we got we got AC.
Yes, we do.
So
We got running water.
We got running water, AC, we got power, we got a ship, we got storage. Shipping container, and looky here. How about that? We are gonna dump. We're gonna dump, man. We got it set up, and I just kind of jiggled it and wiggled it. We just put this on here, and I mean, look at that. I think that's going to work pretty good. It's better than any RV one I've ever seen. Don't you think? I think that'll work. I hope that works. Alright, so got it kind of done. I'm going to do the water first for sure. The gray water's full. The black tank is not full, so I'm not gonna dump the water first. I'm gonna make sure it works. But there's our drain field out there, and we'll find out if this guy did it right. If he didn't, we're in trouble. Big trouble. Big trouble, and Little Arizona. Alright. Here we go. Let's dump this thing. So here's our setup. That's a little janky, but I think it's going to work.
Should I hold it, put a stick and hold it so that it doesn't pop out of there?
You could probably do something like that.
That would make a really mess.
It's not going to pop out, but...
Just in case.
Just in case. What if that end pops off? It's not glued on. Okay, that elbow is just sitting there, not glued on, because that's not how we're doing it. We need a long slope. And that's the short one. So that ain't going to be like that. But anyway.
I got it.
He's got a stick. Here he comes. He's sewer stick holder.
The sewer stick. It will become known as the sewer stick.
Alright. Well, should we really even watch this?
Should we dedicate this day to June 2nd to Sewer Day?
Alright, so Marv says it's dedicated to Sewer Day. Today is
June 2nd.
June 2nd, 2025. Alright, let me frame the shot up here. Alright, I don't even have my gloves on. I took my gloves off. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
You just kind of...
Just switch in there.
Okay.
Pretty good.
So it's going down, nothing leaked out? You didn't see anything splashes?
Nothing splashed
No
out.
splashes?
No splashes. It sounds like
Okay, you want to try the black tank?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Well, I'm sure. I thought that was a black tank.
No, that was the gray tank. That was our test run.
Okay, nothing's leaking.
Oh God. Alright, here we go. Black tank's away.
Okay.
Scary situation.
It's a smelly situation, I'll say that.
Black tank's going. It is flowing. Little splashing. It's good. That looks good. Black tank's away. Now we wash it with the gray. That's how we roll out here. In the desert, man. Off-grid, in the desert, we have our own RV septic dump. Woo! How about that? That is awesome, dude.
Let me see what the bathtub looks like.
And do a really good connector down there so no critters get in it. That was our first dump. Well, okay, I think that was successful. Yeah, I'm gonna call that a win. That's a very big win. I don't know if you can fathom that, but having a septic and being able to dump your RV and whatever, that's a win. We'll take that. And we're gonna button this baby up. That was our little simple video for the day. Nothing dramatic. After last night's storms, we don't need any drama. We had a lightning strike, just so you know. We don't know where it happened, but it hit, I thought it hit the shipping container because I saw a residual spark in the cabin. Indirect hit or what happened, but nothing's fried. But I saw static, a static shock at least, snap over near our power station. So that was pretty scary. And I had just walked in the door from trying to photograph lightning. I gotta get me a little shelter. I gotta build a little shelter so I can actually be outside and not get wet and do my lightning photography. Just to make it easier at 3 in the morning trying to photograph lightning in the rain and you get a direct hit like 100 feet away. On Lightning Pro, it said it was 600 feet away. And on my security cameras, it looked like it was maybe that far away, but it was close. It was a big one. I mean, it sounded like an explosion of some sort. It was bad. That's what we came here for. Alright, appreciate you coming along on this little quick update. We got septic. Catch you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.
yourself.